Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.38. A certain particle carries 2.5 times 10 to the power of negative 16 C of static electric charge. Calculate the number of electrons present in it. Given. Charge of particle equals 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 16. Charge on electron equals 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. Solution. Q equals Ne, where N equals number of electron and E equals charge on electron. So, N equals 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 16 divided by 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19. After calculation, number of electrons equals 1.53 into 10 raised to the power 3. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.